What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use canvases in Slack. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Slack. After typing, you will see this first official website of Slack. Simply give it a click and after clicking, you will be welcomed to this page of Slack where if you are new to Slack, on the right side at the top, you will see the option of sign up. Just sign up with your email and password and then you will see the option of create a new workspace. So just create your own workspace with your own customized name. And after that, when you are done, just simply click on launch Slack. So this will launch your current workspace that you have created. And when it shows like this, click on use Slack in your browser. So the Slack will open in your web browser. Now, when you are welcome to the home page of Slack, after that, at the top in the search bar, search for canvases. And when you see this icon of canvases, you will be redirected to the canvases page. And from here, when you click on new canvas, you can create your own canvas from here and then just give it a title and then type in your content. And if you want to add an image, you can click on this file and then you can add your file. And here is the checklist. If you want to add a checklist, if you want to add a table or some layouts, you can add it. As you can see, I have clicked on checklist. So this text form has been converted into checklist. And from here, I can insert anything that I want, like I want to record an audio clip or video clip or date, a profile, list, canvas, image. I can add anything. And when I'm done, I will just simply click on share. And after clicking, I can just send it to my channel, and when I am done, I will just simply copy the link and then paste it on my channel on the home page. Or I can place elsewhere wherever I want to share my Canvas content. So this is how you can use canvases in Slacks. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.